Weed versus booze, what's worse? I have a pretty controversial opinion on this because I think that weed is way, way worse than booze. What I hate about weed is that it drives all motivation out of you. Now, I know that when I say this, there's always a couple people that say, no, when I smoke weed, I really get motivated. Sure, there probably are a couple of exceptions. Maybe you're one of them. Maybe you're lying to yourself. I don't know. I just know that the absolute vast majority of people smoke themselves into some sort of weird stupor and then they get nothing done. And there's no numbers. Like, no, they're not harming anyone by, I don't know, drunk driving or anything. But what you're doing to yourself, what you're doing to your potential, what you're doing to not living up to whatever you could be, how many people you could help, how much you could contribute to the world by smoking a stupid herb. Same goes for all the annoying people saying, yeah, but it's not addictive. I can quit whenever I want. And then you start the day smoking a joint and you get cranky when you haven't had your joint. Like, how many people do you know that start their day with a can of beer, like, click it open? If they do, we have a name for that. You're an alcoholic. That's not a normal way of going through life. You don't start your day cracking open a cold one and consuming it. But plenty of people start their day smoking weed, and for whatever reason, it's much more accepted. So I have a deep hatred for weed. I don't like it. I don't like the people, the cult around it. Even though I'm Dutch, and we're sort of famous for the whole weed thing, it's not my thing. So if you have to choose between boozing and smoking weed, go for booze, man.